Hi everyone! Today we're working with the start of Chapter 2, the Rhino for Windows interface in the Rhino Training Manual Level 1. I'll show you how to open Rhino from the Windows desktop, and then we'll go over the Rhino Screen section. Let's get started. Before learning individual tools, we will be acquainted with the Rhino interface. The following exercises examine the interface elements used in Rhino: the Rhino window, viewports, menus, toolbars, panels, and dialog boxes. There are many ways to access the commands in Rhino: the keyboard, menus, and toolbars. We will focus on the menus in this class. To begin, to open Rhino, double-click the Rhino icon from the Windows desktop. The Rhino Screen. Rhino divides its several areas that supply information or prompt you for input. First, I'll point out the screen area, and then I'll tell you its description. The menu bar. You use it to access commands, options, and help. The command area lists prompts, commands you enter, and information displayed by the command. The command history window displays 500 lines of the most recently used commands. Activate this window with F2. Tabbed toolbars. Groups are containers with one or more toolbars, with a tab at the top for each toolbar. Floating a toolbar makes a single toolbar group. Sidebars. You can use them to access shortcuts to commands and options. Updates when selecting tabbed toolbar. The graphics area displays the open model. Several viewports can be displayed. The default viewport layout displays 4 viewports: top, front, right, and perspective. Viewports. They display different views of the model within the graphics area. Viewports can show a grid, grid axes, and world axes icon. Status bar displays the coordinates of the pointer, the units and current layer of the model, toggles, and other options. Panels. Rhino controls like layers, properties, materials, lights, display mode, and more are displayed in panels with tabs. The OSnap bar. Use it to access running Object Snap settings. And that's it. That concludes the overview for the Rhino for Windows interface and the Rhino screen in Chapter 2 of the Rhino Training Manual Level 1. I'll see you next time.